This is Nikki, complementary human and animal health therapist, master herbalist and lecturer since 1995. I'm going to teach you about Plantago major, plantain. Plantago, plantain, using this herb with dogs and horses. Plantain, medicinal activities: lubricates, soothes, protects internal mucous membranes, emollient, astringent, anti-inflammatory, and stops bleeding. Plantain's strongest affinities: digestive and urinary tract, and the skin. Herbal preparations created: tea, tinctures, poultice, or dried seed husks. The common uses of plantain: it's nutritious. It may be more nutritious than the vegetables that we tend. Plantain is high in vitamins C, A, and K. On occasion, I've used plantain as a substitute for slippery elm. The mucilaginous and astringent qualities of plantain make it an excellent remedy for reducing inflammations inside and on the animal body. The aucupin and saponin constituents of plantain have been shown to have antibacterial properties, especially against Staphylococcus aureus. These activities combine to make plantain useful in a wide range of urinary, digestive, and respiratory ailments. In the urinary tract, plantain can help stop minor bleeding, reduce inflammation, and relieve pain that is secondary to bacterial infection or the passing of small stones. In the digestive tract, plantain relieves diarrhea and the symptoms of various types of inflammatory bowel disease. Its lubricating properties and anti-inflammatory activities make it useful for treating irritations of the stomach and the intestinal tract that occur when an animal eats something that is difficult to pass. Plantain is widely known for its seeds and husks, which are used as an effective laxative and a source of dietary fibre. I prescribe Plantago or plantain for my own dog to help with bowel movements. In the upper respiratory tract, plantain can help soothe raspy coughs, such as those caused by inhaled dust or kennel cough. Plantain can be used fresh. If you have an electric juicer, you can liquefy the entire plant, roots and all. Otherwise, you can chop the washed plants as finely as you can, pack them loosely into a blender, and add just enough warm water to cover the herb, and blend this into a dark, rich green soup. Please don't use boiled water in this mix because it destroys the hydrolytic enzymes that have antibacterial properties. When making this type of soup, it's important to know that you might have tangles or strong leaf fibres around the blades of your machine. Well, this is absolutely normal. Just strain the liquid through a sieve or a bit of muslin and refrigerate it in a sealed glass jar until you need it. It keeps for about 2 weeks in a very cold fridge. When you need to use the juice or soup for internal problems, 1 teaspoon can be fed for each 20 pounds of a dog's body weight, once or twice daily. It can also be used for colic with horses, and it can even be used for part of your dog's daily diet. A poultice of plantain is one of the best topical first aid remedies for insect bites, stings, minor burns, and site-specific contact dermatitis, such as minor bouts of stinging nettle. I like to make an oil infusion or salve or balm with the fresh or dried plants, and this can be used for the same purposes. Cautions and comments. It's important to understand that we need to do extensive research when we're using any form of herbs for medicines. We are not vets, so we're not allowed to prescribe or to administer herbs to any animals other than our own. It's important to offer and clarify this information to any animal client guardians. When an animal has a specific health concern or is taking prescribed veterinary medicine, it's important that we know all the contraindications about herbal medicine and how this may affect any biological reactions and medicines that the animal is prescribed.